I mean, whatever we were gonna try next, that would have totally worked.
It would have been genius, whatever it was.
Yes, and what would it have been?
We can't stop it. It's going to reach the village. I'm so sorry.
So not cool.
Who benches their stars at the end of a game?
It's her, right? It's her. Knock it off, guys. Not in the mood to play right now.
He said knock it off!
Snatched from the mouth of defeat!